This video is about a situation or an incident that happened the other day. A YouTuber from Jamaica said something which kind of caught my attention, and I said I'm going to address it, and I hope it doesn't feel no way.
The guy who goes by Mannix Robinson, that man that tell us straight and bold said him clean dodo and urine. One night time I urine in a man's socks and all them something there. And a man have to give me $100 US. I say, listen me, sorry man, buy yourself a pair of shoes. I'm sorry man. You see me, I say, yeah man, so the Mannix will tell you. And I'm going to make him be known on this platform more often, because you know why? He's a real youth, a real Jamaican youth. You see me? And I have to respect him. Don't feel like I have to respect him along with the youth called COLAZ, because you don't know we can't live out them youth there. You see, when people real brethren and you see them, you have to just respect that, because you have a whole heap of fake people.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Mannix Robinson TV. And we are back at it again. Thanks for tuning in to the channel one more time again, guys. Look at this. This is my hat that my wife brought me from Dubai. Alex, what you around there doing, Alex?
Nothing.
What you doing in your brother hoodie?
I don't know.
So where's yours?
I don't know.
You don't know where yours is?
I'm at the closet.
Yeah. It's one of the stuff my wife brought for me from Dubai. I like it.
Let me see it.
Huh?
Oh, I forgot it.
Nice, right? You like it? But anyway, guys, this video is about a situation or an incident that happened the other day. The other day I was on a live, and a YouTuber from Jamaica jumped on the live, and he said something which kind of caught my attention, and I said I'm going to address it, and I hope it doesn't feel no way that the live finished. You know, I went into my little studio and I was pondering what him said, and I say I'm going to talk about it. Yeah. And this is about the YouTuber from Jamaica that they call Oliver Lifestyle Jamaica. Yes, the same brethren there from Jamaica. Why sometimes him head hot. I had two fellow content creators that was on the live, which their channels. What's up, bro? Respect, man, respect. Their channel reach the required subscription amount, but they have a hard time getting the watch time hours. So I was there giving them my views and my take on what I think they could do to get them thing run up or get them thing, you know, monetized. So out of the blues, Oliver me say pop up on the channel or pop up on the live. I say, yo, Troublemaker, what's up? Not Troublemaker in a disrespectful manner, but Troublemaker in a joyful manner, because he does reaction videos, and some people may not like it, some people like it, but you know, that is his thing, and I respect him for know. So yo, he find something where him love, he find something where viewers like also, and him style is different than any other reaction content creator, you know. It seemed as if he was in the background and listening to what I was saying, and him say, yo, Mannix, sometimes when you start off your channel and you realize that the content is not working, you have to start over, because a welding video me usually do, and when I realized it wasn't going nowhere, I have to revamp everything and start over. And now the channel I grow Mannix. Now this is it, guys. Never met Oliver before. I don't know Oliver, but based off of how you listen to Oliver talk, Oliver just talking stuff, and he talk off of him heart. He not talk out of him head. He talk off of him heart, because sometimes some people talk off of them head and then just chat a bag of nonsense. But Oliver really ponder whatsoever he's gonna say in his heart before he put it out there. And when you listen to Oliver talk, Oliver is a genuine man. You know, you listen to him in life story and background, you know, say yo, I hope Sandong's feel him, and he hope Sandong cause him to be the type of man that he is right now. And you listen to him talk, he has a lot of knowledge to impart. And when him say that, he kind of bring me back to with my channel. Started out with cooking videos and I realized, say, yo, cooking videos them in the workout until I started to talk about me and my wife and my experience. And I realized because of that, yo, the channel take off. And I the same thing with him too. So when him say that, me kind of relate to what him say, and me say, yo, what man I say are true, you know. A whole heap of people don't really want to hear that, you know, because a whole heap of people don't really take advice, because somehow we think say we know it all. And even when they sink a ship, we chain ourselves to the ship and they go down with the ship like we are the captain. So he said something and I said, yo, what Oliver say a serious thing, you know. And I hope say the fellow content creator them hear what him say and really kind of look into what him say and really take the advice, because if you have a channel that have 3,000 subscribers and you only have 500 public watch hours, that simply means you may have the subscribers but people are really interested in your content, man. So guess what? Even though you may have the subscribers, it is showing that people are not really watching the content that you're making. It's that you're not generating watch hours. So if you realize it now work, yo, you have to revamp the thing. And me watch Oliver channel, me see for myself, say why am I say and a lie. The videos them why him start out in channel with and a them go in channel. And when him start talk about people, you know, start about some content creators in Jamaica, especially realize say him jump on COLAZ case one time and COLAZ have him make a video. Yo, you think COLAZ easy? COLAZ one another man just yo. Your COLAZ hardly laugh, you know. That generally hardly laugh, you know. He give you one little smirk and him gone about him business, but God in that, the God in him heart, and I pray God blessing and protection upon him in anything I might do. You see it? And when Oliver realized, say, yo, these are the contents that he can make and grow him channel, yo, the man leaning at it. Him leaning at it and him grow him stuff, you know. He talk about some other else content creators in Jamaica, and after say, yo, this youth really want some of them content creators in Jamaica beat him up. But him not care in doing things. And I hope some people really understand, say, yo, he's a content creator, and the niche that he take on is a niche that is working for him. And, you know, keep it up, bro. You know, keep up the thing, and I hope that a lot of content creators, I hope that they watch your channel and realize, yo, if you start off with something and it not work, yo, try again, man. Try again. Nothing beat a try, guys. Nothing beat a try. Nothing beat a try. And when the man said that to me, when the man said that on the thing, you know, I say, yo, a serious thing, you know. And he was honest to himself to say it. He wasn't full of pride and say, yo, nah, this and nah, do that. He talk it, you know, within himself, and him see, he look within himself, assess the situation, assess him channel and say, bam, this now work out. And he try something different. And it is working for him.
Yeah.
So guys, the reason why I bring up Oliver in this thing, I know if any of you went things say this me I got this him or thing like that, I don't diss people. And I don't narrate people. The reason why I brought him up is to use his story as an example that, yo, even if you try a million times, you know, means you have to stop. So guys, if you're trying one thing and the one thing now work, yo, revamp and start again, man. Content creators, if you're trying one thing and it's not working, try again. You see it? Nothing beat a try. And if you are creating content, it's not working for you that way, just change your outlook, man. You know, all of you that are going on YouTube to make money, take it serious, man. If you're going on it to make money, take it serious. It's not a joke thing. And if you realize that couple months, couple years, you've been putting out content, you have 10,000 subscribers, you still don't have no watch hours, have the watch hours to get your channel monetized, something is up, man. You see it? So yo, Oliver, bless up yourself. Thanks for jumping on the live and for share your testimony and for share your experience. You know, a whole heap of people not humble enough to do that because they're so full of themselves. they're not humble enough to share them experience in life. I make some of them will never move from the level where them at because them proud and full of themselves, Oliver. Serious thing, Oliver. But bless up yourself and you know, keep on doing the thing. Them have a saying in Jamaica say, humble calf drink the most milk. You have a lot of people out there. They're not humble, you know. They want the milk, but they're not humble. Any young YouTubers out there, if you've been putting in the work, and you realize that the thing now grow, yo, try something else, man. Now I tell you to give up, you know. Because we are in it to win it. Now I tell you to give up. But if you try something, you realize that, yo, the thing now work out, try something. And if you think a joke me I make, go over Oliver's channel and check his thing. I'm going to drop the link of his channel in the description. Go over there and check it out. And see for yourself. And see how the man channel take off. When him channel take off. What causes his channel to take off. The content that causes his channel to take off. Seriously. And the man make up his mind, say, yo, him not give up. Him not throw in the towel. Him not quit. Him not call it a day. But him say, yo, I'm going to try something else. Guys, that is the frame of mind a lot of us should have. And it's sad to say a lot of us don't have it. Because if we try 1 time and 2 time and 3 time and it don't work, we quit. Or we get so ratchet down to our ways that we don't want to try something new. You see it? We don't want to try something new. I remember I want another job. I'm gonna move on to another job, and the job when me get, I was there working hard and ray until I said, yo, bam, I'm gonna see if I can get another job. I need to stop working at night. So I find a job where it was day job, paying good, working crazy, sometimes 20 hours a day. And come on, Alice, we're going back, working 20 hours a day. And the job was paying good, paying fine, retirement, 401k was nice. Till me realize that they want the Jamaican to go catch ratbat and to go catch snakes. And want me to tell my wife if you do this and do that. And I didn't want to leave the job. Come on, Alex. I didn't want to lose the job because the money was fine. You see it? Money was good. I was so set within myself in doing the 2 jobs till I realized that the boss want to tell me what to tell my wife, and that was it. So even though the money was good, I was making a lot of money, I had to move on to something else. So at the same principle, you cannot get too attached to one thing, even when it seems good. When you reach a point where you realize it not work out, even when you don't see the way out, sometimes you just got to just close your eyes and make a step, man. Sometimes we got to make a leap of faith, guys. Was making good money, yes, but when I'm come tell me, say, yo, you to go catch snake and rat bat. Me say, what? You can't catch snake and rat bat. I want to go home and tell the wife this she need to stop work so you can't come out work. I said, but I can't go tell my wife that. In which I went to and I explained the situation to her. She knows, said, bam, this is that. And move on to something else. You see it? Don't get caught up so much. Or don't get so much attached to one thing in life that will make you become prisoner, that you cannot move on and try something different. Because sometimes when that happens, we lose the ability to really prove what we are capable of doing in life. Seriously. From a Christmas tree, man. I planted this tree when I just came to America. This tree right here. When I just came to America, I found this guy on the roadside and I pull him up and I plant him. Look at him right now. Yeah, light him up every Christmas. Look at him. Big. Yeah. When I just came to America, I found him on the wayside, guys, and I brought it home and I plant it. Look at it. Beautiful. Typical example of trying something new, man, and giving something a chance. It's typical example, guys. That right there is typical example of giving something else a try. Give it a chance. You see it? So, bless up yourself, Oliver. You know the thing go. And this is not for YouTube alone. If you're going through life and you realize that the way you're living or anything that you're doing, you realize it, and you realize that it's not working out, nothing is wrong with starting over or try again. Nothing is wrong with that, guys. Nothing is wrong with starting over again. Seriously, you show respect to where respect is due. I hope that a lot of the content creators them that you mention in your reaction videos, I hope they don't take it in a negative way and don't show you the respect for him talking about them, you know. But everybody different and everybody approach things differently and look at things differently. In Jamaican culture, when you talk about certain things, it's like everybody say I diss you, I diss them. Me no, because I upload videos talking about me cleaning toilet and the way how me hear some people comment what them upload and the stuff for them say. Some people that say I diss them and rare. But me no care. Me no care if you see a toilet me clean. Me not go pretend and act like some fake. You know, we don't fake around here. We just be with self and talk the things then, because I know me alone out there they clean. I know me alone out there clean doodoo and clean toilet and pee and rare. A whole heap of people. Millions of people just like me out there doing the thing. You see it? So if people want to criticize me or say this or think they can belittle me because I talk about what I do, hey, let them do them thing. I don't really care. But you see it, because me make up my mind to do my thing. And case in point, my second channel was doing different content until I start talk about what I do and rare. And I was in Jamaica at the property. I'm gonna show you the video. Cleaning up, doing some cleaning up, talking about how I clean toilet for a living. And that video gave me 1,700 subscribers, gave me the watch hours, and also monetize the channel. So sometimes you got to lean in what you realize people like. And I'm not telling everybody if you do what I do or if you do what Oliver do, because if you don't have this, if you don't have the guts, if you don't have the thick skin to take on certain niche or certain topic, it makes sense to leave it alone, because of what people say may also cause you to stop upload content. So you have to just find something what you like, guys. You see it? But that's how you go. Thank you, Mr. Oliver Lifestyle Jamaica, to jump on the live the other day and to share your experience and to share your journey. And guys, check out this channel, man. You can't find a realer Jamaican than Oliver Lifestyle Jamaica. Check out this channel, guys. He may say some stuff over there where about one of your content creators that you may not like. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't show him support. Also, because we are all on this. We are all in this thing as content creators together, and we are in it not only to entertain you guys, but also to generate a revenue from being an entertainer and the YouTube community thing. Alex, what are you doing, Alex?
Just on the swing.
You in the swing? Okay, be careful, you know. Guys, all of this stuff them, well, not all. We got some liquor stuff left over. Well, those they plan to go to Jamaica. Those are regular stuff that I have in the garage. But the garage clean out, we ship off the barrel them, we ship off the stove. We strip off the generator, I will ship off the box of clothes them that we're gonna give away to some individuals in Jamaica.
I feel so spacious now.
Yeah, so that's how we do it. So bless up yourself, Oliver Lifestyle. Keep on doing your thing, and blessing and prosperity to you, my friend, and all the best. Keep on putting out your content and don't stop being positive, bro. You're an inspiration, and I hope that people see the inspiration before them start see anything else. All right, bless up yourself, blessing and prosperity. to you, my friend. All God is blessing to you and your family. All right? Have yourself a blessed one.